I just finished a live streaming lecture in acoustics, basic acoustics, and it's in Swedish this time. But it's interesting to see, as this is the second round of lectures that I put out there, it's so effortless now. Because the first time I did it, I was like exhausted. And this time it's not no different to doing other stuff that I know this stuff now, so it's easy. What is not easy though, however, is technology, because I'm using a new computer compared to that last time, and I had some problems with all my, it's quite the setup I'm running here with all the sound, loudspeakers, microphones, sound sources, video cameras, and even drawing tablets with a whiteboard, and I try to get it all running. So I'm the video producer and the teacher at the same time, but I kind of get through. But sometimes it feels like my brain is about to melt when things doesn't work, and you're supposed to be online in 5 minutes, but it's like, deep breath, sort it out, and go.